Hello everyone, welcome back to 说说 Chinese 说说中文 I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. If you have watched this video of mine, you will know that the starting point of my solo traveling and me moving to Thailand was because of a Taiwanese band. Today, I'm gonna teach you a song of theirs. The good thing about learning Chinese through songs is that you don't have to pay much attention to the tones. But normally, the words used in the lyrics of Chinese songs are quite different from what people would usually say in everyday life. However, the song I'm gonna teach you today is perfect for Chinese learners. Even if you are a beginner. It's very nicely written, and at the same time, the lyrics are quite easy to understand. So I will explain each paragraph of the song first, and then I will invite you to sing this song with me. So make sure you watch it till the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hey! 如果你正在学习中文，但是却没有机会说中文的话，欢迎你来参加我的小组课。每个星期，我们都会用你学过的非常有用的句子和生词来讨论不一样的有趣的话题，比如家庭关系，比如人生经历，比如社会争议，再比如孤独与爱。你会发现在我们的小组课里，你总能找到机会和动力说得更好，说得更多。所以如果你的中文水平是 HSK 3、HSK 4或者 HSK 5、6的话，就快点加入我们吧。
So the thing I like the most about Shuo's classes is the community that you build of other folks that are interested in learning Mandarin. She does a really good job of keeping students engaged during class and helping them make connections with each other that last a really long time.
She's honestly the best teacher ever. Shuo never fails to make us laugh and have us learn like really interesting things. And my favorite part is that we actually play games in class because that's my favorite way to learn Chinese. So you won't go wrong with learning with Shuo.
The name of the song is 温柔. 温柔, which means tender, gentle, or soft. We usually use this word to describe someone's personality. For example, 我的妈妈是一个很温柔的人。我的妈妈是一个很温柔的人。Okay, let me show you the first part of this song. "走在风中，今天阳光突然好温柔。I walked in the wind. Today's sunlight suddenly became so tender. 天的温柔，地的温柔，像你抱着我。The tenderness of the sky, the tenderness of the land, felt like you were hugging me. 抱 means to hug, and 抱着 describes a lasting state, be hugging. 然后发现你的改变。Then I realized your change. Here is an example to show you that 改变 can not only be used as a verb, it can also be used as a noun. 你的改变 your change. 孤单的今后。如果冷，该怎么度过？ The lonely future. If I feel cold, how should I pass it or how should I spend it? 今后 is short for 今天以后 after today. Here it means future. 度过 means to pass or to spend a special period of time. For example, 我们在一起度过了非常愉快的一天。我们在一起度过了非常愉快的一天。 我不知道他是怎么度过失恋以后的那几个星期的。我不知道他是怎么度过失恋以后的那几个星期的。Let's see the second part of the verse. 天边风光，身边的我，都不在你眼中。The scenery on the rim of the sky. Me besides you, neither of us are in your eyes. 风光 is a poetic and more advanced version of 风景, scenery, landscape. This is the thing about Chinese songs. Most of the words used in the lyrics are much prettier than the words that people would say in everyday life. And this is one thing that I don't quite understand about the Thai songs, because most of the Thai songs that I have listened to still use the very simple and common words that people would use in their everyday life. I could understand Thai songs very well, even when my Thai was still very basic. So how about the songs in your language? Do you also upgrade the words in the lyrics to make it sound more like a poetry, or you keep the simplest terms? Let's continue. 你的眼中藏着什么？我从来都不懂。What are hidden in your eyes? I've never understood. Here is another way to use 着，藏着. The structure is a place plus verb plus 着. For example, 桌子上放着一本书，墙上挂着一幅画。你的眼中藏着一些东西。你的眼中藏着什么？没有关系，你的世界就让你拥有。It's okay. It's your world. I will let you have it. 拥有 means to have, to possess, or to own. Do you see the radical of 拥 in the word 拥有? The radical is related to hand. 拥 means to hug or embrace. I hug the stuff that I own. Let me show you some examples. 虽然她是我的女朋友，但是我并不拥有她。虽然她是我的女朋友，但是我并不拥有她。他拥有这家公司一半的股份。他拥有这家公司一半的股份。不打扰是我的温柔。Not disturbing is my tenderness. And here comes the chorus of the song. 不知道，不明了，不想要，为什么我的心？不知道，不明了，不想要，为什么我的心？ I don't know. It's not clear. I don't want it. Why? My heart. If you feel that the lyrics are actually not that pretty, it's not the lyrics' fault. It's my fault that I translated it poorly. But I think it's the problem of different languages. You have to feel the lyrics 100% in Chinese. And here, 明了 is another more advanced word of 明白. We usually won't use it in colloquial speech. 明明是想靠近，却孤单到黎明。Apparently, I want to get closer, but I choose to stay lonely till dawn. Here is a very useful and interesting word. 明明. The translation is apparently, obviously, or undoubtedly. But there are always some implications behind 明明. It's more like, it is so obvious that, but why? This is the implication. So let me show you some examples. 你明明拿了我的东西，为什么说你没拿呢？你明明拿了我的东西，为什么说没拿呢？你明明知道我最讨厌别人迟到。你明明知道我最讨厌别人迟到。他明明是为了自己，却还说是为了我好。他明明是为了自己，却还说是为了我好。And then repeat it again. 不知道，不明了，不想要，为什么？我的心。那爱情的绮丽，总是在孤单里。The beauty of love is always in loneliness. 绮丽 is another more advanced and poetic word. It means beautiful or gorgeous. We usually use it to describe landscapes, but we don't use it that often in colloquial speech. 再把我的最好的爱给你。Again, I want to give you my best love. It's not the lyrics' fault. It's my fault. After the chorus is a different part of the verse, and it's the last paragraph of new lyrics. Let's take a look. 不知不觉，不情不愿，又到巷子口。Unwittingly, unwillingly, we arrived the head of the alley again. 不知不觉 as in 不知道也不觉得 It's quite useful. We use it very often. It means unconsciously, unwittingly, or without someone's noticing it. For example, 他不知不觉地睡着了。他不知不觉地睡着了。不知不觉，疫情已经持续3年了。不知不觉，疫情已经持续3年了。不情不愿 means unwillingly. The opposite word of it is 心甘情愿. Here are some examples. 他不情不愿地答应了来参加我的婚礼。他不情不愿地答应了来参加我的婚礼。不知不觉已经8点了，我只好不情不愿地去上班。不知不觉已经8点了，我只好不情不愿地去上班。我心甘情愿被你伤害。我心甘情愿被你伤害。Let's continue. 我没有哭，也没有笑，因为这是梦。I didn't cry, I didn't laugh, because this was a dream. 没有预兆，没有理由，你真的有说过。There was no sign, there was no reason, but you did mention it. 预兆 means omen, prelude, or warning. Have you ever seen the character 预 in the word 预兆? Can you give me some examples? I guess you may have learned these 2 words. 预习 preview, pre-study, and 天气预报 weather forecast. So you can guess the meaning of 预 is pre something. So let's play a game. Can you guess the meaning of this word? 预算，预算，我要做这个生意，我要先算一算我要花多少钱 ，or 我要租这个房子，我要先算一算我可以花多少钱在房租上。 预算 means budget. For example, 这个房子可能不符合我们的预算。这个房子可能不符合我们的预算。明年我们会有足够的预算。明年我们会有足够的预算。Okay, let's continue. The last part is quite easy. 如果有，就让你自由。If you did mention it, then I will set you free. I'm actually confused. What did you mention? Probably this girl mentioned something like, "Can you set me free? I want my freedom." And 我给你自由，我给你自由 and repeat it for another 2 times. I will set you free. I will give you freedom. 我给你全部自由。I will give you all the freedom. 这是我的温柔 and this is my tenderness. Bad music alert. But I know 你心甘情愿被我伤害。走在风中，今天阳光突然好温柔，天的温柔，地的温柔，像你抱着我，然后发现你的改变，孤单的今后，如果冷，该怎么度过？天边放光，身边的我都不在你眼中，你的眼中藏着什么，我从来都不懂。没有关系，你的时间就让你拥有，不打扰是我的温柔。不知道，不明了，不想要，为什么我的心明明是想靠近，却孤单到黎明。不知道，不明了，不想要，为什么我的心那爱情的心里，总是在孤单里，再把我的最好的爱给你。不知不觉，不情不愿，又到巷子口。我没有哭，也没有笑，因为这是梦。没有比较，没有理由，你真的有说过，我有，如果有，就让你自由。我给你自由，我给你自由，我给你自由。I don't know how to sing the last part. You can sing the song, follow the music video that I linked in the description box. So this is all the content of today's video. I really hope you like this video and you like my singing. I will see you in my next video.